Hello everyone, in this video of soft tissue treatment series, we are going to demonstrate the manual therapy skill to perform plantar fascia release to relieve heel pain in plantar fasciitis patients. To perform this technique, the therapist makes the patient lie down in supine lying position and the therapist sits at the foot end of the table. Now to treat the patient for the left-sided heel pain, the therapist is going to utilize the left hand for the control and stabilization of the left foot. So the left hand is going to stabilize the first metatarsal and is going to produce the hyperextension at the metatarsophalangeal joint. Now while maintaining this position, the other hand of the therapist is going to make a fist position so that all the proximal phalanx lie in the same plane. Now from here, the therapist places the proximal phalanx of the fifth digit to come in contact with the plantar aponeurosis just proximal to the first metatarsophalangeal joint. And now from here, the therapist starts rolling the wrist in the downward direction so that all the proximal phalanx starts coming in contact with the plantar fascia, and the wrist is rolled until reaching the heel region. The technique is repeated for around 1 to 2 minutes to gain lengthening and release of the plantar fascia and thereby helping in relieving the heel pain. Do incorporate this treatment technique into your rehabilitation protocol for managing heel pain for plantar fasciitis patient, and do provide us your valuable feedback for the treatment outcome for such patients. So see you all in our next video of the soft tissue treatment series. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing and stay connected.